Hey guys, today we are going to solve this problem statement maximize total cost of alternating subarrays. You are given the arrays nums with length this. So cost of subarray is defined as this one L2R for L2R nums of L minus nums of L plus 1. So alternatively plus minus is happening. So your task is to split the array nums into subarrays such that total cost of subarrays is maximized, ensuring each element belongs to exactly one subarray. So there will be no overlap. So that is the thing. So here, for example, if it is divided into k subarrays, then cost will be this one. So we have to actually return an integer denoting the maximum total cost of subarray after splitting the array optimally. Okay, cool. So let's try to understand. So obviously, here what we will choose, if you think logically. So here, for example, for this example, 1 minus 2 3 4. So what will be the answer here? It will be 10. How? So we will consider 1 and minus 2 as a first subarray, and 3 as second, third as 4. So there are multiple ways to do this. So I am considering in this way 1 and minus 2. So 1 and minus 2. So that will be 3, and this subarray 3 as a 3 and 4 as 4. So 4 plus 3 plus 3. So it will be 10. And there is another way also. Divide a subarray 1 minus 2 3 and then 4. So it will give a, so here plus symbol minus symbol, so minus minus plus, so it means plus 2, and here plus symbol 3 for 3. So this will also give 10. So we have to do in this way. So let's logically think about this. If you guys have already solved any of the problem in doing exclusion inclusion principle, so you will able to understand. uh, we can use that logic also here to get the answer. How? For example, I am at 1. So there are two choices. Either I can flip this one, or I can exclude, basically not flipping this one. So there are two choices. Similarly, if I am going to minus 2, there are I can flip it, and I can avoid flipping. So if I am flipping it, so obviously I have to make sure I have to consider the previous answer as if I am flipping this one, so it should be not flipping one. I have to consider. But if it is not flipping, so there are two choices. I can choose flipping also, or not flipping also. So one thing you have to notice, you in any case you can't flip the first element. Why? Because if you are going to divide subarray, so first always will give uh, plus plus symbol. It can't be minus symbol. But if I am considering 1 and minus 2 here, minus 2 I can flip also by choosing 1 minus 2. And if I want to avoid flipping, so I can choose only minus 2. So there are so you have to consider this edge case also. The zeroth element you can't do it. So we are going to use same principle. So let's try to do here. So I am considering, so because here it is a long answer, so I am considering flip is equal to nums of 0. Uh, uh, I am considering till now what is the flip answer, and by flipping the current one, and not flip, no flip. So I'm not flipping the current one element. So because initially I know this these two zeroth index I can't flip, so obviously both will have same answer. Now I will take one temp flip, uh, and there will be one temp no flip. So Now I will iterate from I equal to 1 to I less than nums of length I plus plus. So here my flip, uh, so here my temp flip will be basically, if I am flipping it, so I can't flip the other one, so I am flipping in, then the value will be minus of nums of I plus I have to consider the not no flip one. Okay, if temp no flip I am considering, so here I have choices, so I am not flipping this, so I can take max of no flip basically and flip, because here I have both the choices. Okay, once that will be done, I will update current no flip with temp one, temp flip, temp no flip, and I will update flip one with temp flip. Okay, once that will be done, I will return the whichever will give the maximum answer. So flip one or no flip one. Cool. Let's try to run it. Okay, it's working fine. Let's take other case also. Okay, it's working for both of them. Let's try to submit it. So it's working fine. Thanks, guys.